I haven't really prepared anything, but I said to Casey last year when we met Stacey here for lunch, I said to her that we are going to have our wedding here. We are 100% going to have our wedding here, and I will definitely convince the right people to be here. And this is basically exactly what's happened. And I mean, if you look where you are and just what is happening, like for Casey and I, this is an absolute dream come true. And just in front of all of you, I just want to let you know how much respect I have for this woman in front of me, my wife. I'm speechless. Just no words can describe how much I literally love you with my whole heart and my whole soul. And to call you my wife is just an absolute honor. And I will love you and cherish you for the rest of your life. I will make sure you are always happy, you are always taken care of, and you literally deserve a Nobel Peace Prize for putting up with me. You really do. But as you can hear by the laughs, but I love you with my whole being, and I'm honored that you've chosen me to be your husband. I love you, baby.